Hey guys, welcome to this ombre buttercream cake tutorial. I'll show you how I make the ombre buttercream, how I smooth it, and then also how we make those pleats in the buttercream. So this is going to be 3 different colors. It's going to be a white to a light peachy buttercream to a little bit of a darker peachy buttercream. So I'm starting with the white buttercream on the top of the cake, and I'm just kind of giving it a little bit of a smooth pass. I'm using an offset spatula, and then I add that same white buttercream to the top of the sides of the cake. And I am making sure that it's sort of thick, because when you go over the cake with your cake combs, you want enough buttercream there so that you're not scraping into cake, so that you just take off layers of buttercream. In the middle here, I'm adding the lighter peach buttercream, and I'm just going around the cake. I'm trying to keep it somewhat in the middle of the cake here so that we can have kind of an even amount of the different colors of buttercream along the sides of the cake. And then I bring up a little bit of that light peachy buttercream into the white, and this is just so that they kind of smooth into each other, the ombre effect. So that you don't have, blunt colors where they end, so that they kind of smooth into each other. I'm adding the darker peachy buttercream to the very bottom, and I'm just going to add that also in a thick layer, trying to keep it the same thickness as the 2 previous colors. Just keep going around your cake. And then when you get done with that, I like to add the lighter color, more of the lighter peachy color, so it's whatever color you put in the middle. And I'm just kind of smoothing them together. I'm adding a little bit more of that light peachy color. It's more in the middle, and then it goes down into the darker peachy color. And this is just so that they blend better. You won't have that blunt line of, different colors there. So now I'm going to start with the smooth cake comb. This is from Ester Cakes. Just going to run that along the cake, and I'm just making sure that the buttercream is all one thickness. After you do that, you can get your pleated cake comb. This is also from Ester Cakes. And then you'll start on one side, keep your cake comb in one place, and rotate your turntable. Just keep doing that until you have the perfect pleats, and you can see that buttercream is a nice ombre. I hope you guys enjoy this quick tutorial.